What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? This is SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, God blessed, and prosperous day. How you doing? I miss you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Thank you for being here. How you doing? I miss you. I miss you. I miss you. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. Okay, we love you. Thanks for being here. If you're new to my channel, click the like and subscribe button. Yeah, the little red block down there. Click on it, okay? We love you. Thank you so much for being here. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I can't tell you how I feel about you being here. You guys are so supportive. You've just been great. We're almost at 5,000 members, you guys. 5,000. Yes, just because of you. Each and every one of you. I can't thank you. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I can't thank you enough. But enough of all that. Y'all don't want me to get the crown, okay? Okay, because these big guys are swell up like 8 balls. But anyway, okay, today I got on yellow. You see my yellow? Can y'all see me? Am I in the sunlight or what? Here we go. Can you see me now? I'm in yellow because we're talking about corn. Yes, you guys, corn. Some people say they can't grow corn, and I don't know why, but then again, sometimes you have to fall down and get back up. Ooh. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all know how to get sidetracked, okay? Okay, we're going to talk about growing corn. It's hot out here. I ain't gonna burn up. This yellow is reflecting the sun quite well. Look how beautiful it is, you guys. Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for being a part. If you're not from Virginia, this is Virginia, you guys. Yeah, today. Been at work all day as usual. Just got home from the hospital. Sat down for a second. Made my rounds. And I'm like, what am I going to do today? I don't know. You guys, I never plan anything. I just try to come on here and keep it real with y'all. Okay? So let's just jump right into this video. Today I want to talk to you about planting corn. Corn is a very simple crop to grow, and it grows super duper fast. I'm growing it right now. I've grown it in the past, so I'm not telling you anything I heard. I'm telling you what I know. Okay? I ain't got to lie, Craig. I ain't got to lie, because we ain't got no money to be going to court. We ain't going to court for lying. Slanderous. But yeah, y'all, this is some sweet corn right here, and I'm going to show you how to get it. First of all, I started my sweet corn in the ground last year. This year I tried starting it in a container and transplanted it into the garden. It worked both ways. Now, if you're starting your corn right now, you can direct sow it right into the ground. Or if you have a problem with pests and rabbits and everything, grow it on your deck first, or on your porch, or on your patio, on your windowsill. And then if you have a big grow bag, if you're still going to be on the patio or the deck, you can just grow it right there. Or you can transfer it outside like I did, and I'll show you the results. I love making videos when I can walk you through from the beginning to the end, because that's what this channel is all about. Learning beginners and experts. Okay, I love y'all. Thank you so much for being here. And if I don't do something correct, well, I don't consider anything incorrect. I think it's just the way you do it. You know, some people do things that are not booked, by the book, and their stuff comes out great. I'm one of those people. I don't do everything by the book. Okay, I don't. Okay, you guys. So what I'm going to do is show you. Get you a pack of corn seeds. Now, these were given to me from one of my nieces. It's such an amazing feeling when your family and friends think about you when they're out and about, and they buy seeds, and they're like, I've thought about Uncle Randy. I want to bring him the seeds, and I've known them since they came out of the womb. Yes. Waiting in the waiting room, waiting for them to be born, and now they're grown and been to college and have careers and children. You guys, I feel kind of old. Okay. Wait a minute. Y'all need to slow down all that growing. Kids out here, slow down. Y'all growing up so fast. Thank God that they're still here. I love you guys. I hope you're safe and blessed. I hope your family is safe and blessed. So let's just get to gardening. I'm sorry. Y'all know I got to talk to y'all for a little bit. I love you. Okay. Sweet corn. This is coming from Fairy Morse. Never used this brand before, but we're going to give it a shot. Hey, what can happen? Corn normally does pretty good, unless it's the worst company in the world and they just don't grow. So what I have right here, let me get you down here, is a seed starting tray. You know how you put your seed starting trays inside of this tray? And I soaked it down with water, and it has some weeds in it, a couple of weeds that fell out of that big tree over there. Yeah. So, when I plant my corn, you can start it in a container like I did this year. I started it in a container. Can I get you any closer? Because you know I like to have y'all right up in the action. Nah, let's leave it up here. There we go. So I put this, let's turn our hanging basket. Look, you guys, we have beans. Remember the hanging basket we planted the other day? Look at these beans. They're ready to be picked. Yep. All over this little teeny plant. Okay, so you got your soil. The soil is soaking wet. See how soaking wet that is? I have it soaking wet on purpose. Now, corn loves nitrogen. Now you can purchase you some nitrogen, or you can get a soil tester and see it. You might already have a lot in yours. Okay. You never know. Everybody is different. And like I said, this is my first complete year gardening in this home. So I'm still learning the soil, you guys. Everything is not coming out the way I want it to, but it's coming up. And some things aren't. And we're just going to keep learning this soil until we get it to Skinny Boy Farm soil. Okay. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. So this is some nitrogen that you can order. This is raw nitrogen. Now I only use this when I'm sprinkling out into the garden in the ground, because it's so strong, it's pure. And I want to just sprinkle it a little bit and mix it in with some regular soil, whatever you mix in your garden soil. And you want to mix this in because corn loves nitrogen. That's why they love growing next to beans, because beans give off a lot of nitrogen in the soil. So we're just going to take these. This is not going to be a long video. We're going to take the corn seeds. Yes, you guys. Don't think it's too late to plant you some corn. You know, it's only July the 9th. And we still have August and September. Our growing season doesn't normally end till what, around October. Sometimes, you know, with this weather, who knows, you guys, it may go all the way to December. We hardly had a winter last year. So whatever his plan is, let it be done. Okay, I love you guys. So all I'm going to do is take my seeds, and I'm just going to space them apart. And I don't push them down yet, because I tend to forget where I put stuff when it comes to these seeds. I'm like, where did I push the last one down at? I don't know. So I've set them on top first. And since we're doing transplanting, you can put them close together, because we're not going to let them get that big before we take them out. And they will sprout up in a matter of days. And the reason I have this soil so soaked is because it's so hot lately. I want these to stay moist, and this soil is going to warm up, and they will germinate like crazy. I'm going to keep you guys up to date on these seedlings, okay? And you just want to lay them on top. You don't have to be perfect in spacing. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Yeah. We're just laying them on top of our super moist soil, you guys. Super moist. They're not going to drown because it's so hot that without water, this container is going to dry out very fast. So I want it super soaked as of now. Okay. A couple down there. And find an empty spot. Let's just go there. Then I go in and I push. Just push, just a tap. Because these are transplants. These are not permanent in this container. Just push them all down. And you can see them because we just laid them on top. So we want to push them down. Push them on down and cover them up. Yep. Get some of that moisture over on this side. Push them down, you guys. Cover them up. And we're going to be following these. Cover them up. It don't have to be pretty. Just be productive, y'all. Keep it moving. Okay? Thank you so much for being here. That's all you got to do. Corn takes very quickly. I wouldn't be surprised if I come out here tomorrow morning and see a piece of green sprout. I wouldn't be surprised. Because corn has surprised me like that before. If you put it in a Ziploc bag and some paper towels, it'll show you overnight. Sure will. So yeah, you guys, that's all you do. Just put it down in some very moist soil, you know, and the waiting game begins. Today is July 9th, and I'll show you how it turns out. So in the meantime, the ones that I started in the on the porch, on the deck, are right here. Voila. Look at our corn. See it? And you see some little white powder that just came from some of the stuff I was using on the other side of the garden. But yeah, this is our corn that we started on the deck. See down in there? We have a good field. I think it's about 60 or 70 stalks. And to give you an idea, look, it's gotten officially taller than me. And I'm standing straight up, y'all. My corn is 6 feet tall. Yes, doing well. Look at that. I love to see the corn grow and look healthy and strong. And now is the time to start your second batch. Yeah. Now it's the time to start that second batch of your corn. Okay. I love you guys. You are the best. Remember, live, love, laugh. Go stuff and eat it. Click like and subscribe. Click a thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the 2 middle fingers. Okay. I love you guys. You are the best. Thank you so much for being here. Goodbye.